Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore freeze and unfreeze TransUnion via CreditFreeze, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore a freeze on your TransUnion credit report, start by visiting the TransUnion website. Navigate to the Credit Freeze section. You'll need to locate the Manage Credit Freeze option. Log into your TransUnion account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, select the option to unfreeze your credit. Choose to temporarily or permanently lift the freeze. If you opt for a temporary lift, specify the duration for which the freeze will be removed. You may be asked for your PIN or password that you received when you initially froze your credit. Enter the required PIN or password carefully. Review the details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Submit the request to unfreeze your credit. Wait for confirmation from TransUnion regarding the status of your unfreeze request. Once confirmed, your credit report will be accessible to creditors. If you need to freeze your credit again, follow the same process on the TransUnion website. Remember to keep your PIN or password secure for future use. With these steps, your credit management will be efficient and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.